Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Shopify on QuickBooks. So just head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just scroll down, then hover your mouse on Apps. Then click on Find Apps. The search bar, we're just going to search for Shopify. Then click on Shopify Connector by Intuit. Then next, just click on Get App Now. Just agree to access permissions, click on Connect. Also make sure that you click on the Accept button. So from here, you're going to need to log in on your Shopify account. Just click on Connect to Shopify. For us to be able to connect our Shopify account, we're going to need to enter in our Shopify domain. And to get that, in a new tab, just head over to your Shopify admin page. Then next, click on Settings and just copy this link below My Store. Then head back to QuickBooks. Then paste the domain. Then click on Connect to Shopify. Next is grant access permissions by clicking on Install. And as you can see, we have now successfully connected our Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!